Hey guys, KLEANTRIX, making more videos again today, guys. We're gonna be talking about this monster of LED for your garage. So without further ado, let's get to it. For the most part, you guys already see that my garage is always super bright, super lit. And that's because I do it on purpose, guys. I have, first of all, this huge LED tube light up there. It's LED, it's not CFL or whatever. It's actually an LED tube light. And then on top of that, I have this bad boy, which is the corn LED. And the corn LED, guys, has been working for me well. I love it. However, I always like things brighter. I'm an LED guy. I want things better, brighter, without putting a bunch of these tube lights everywhere. So I think I found something. And we're gonna take a look at it. Let's move this ladder right where I'm going to be unhooking that guy. Let's do a quick unboxing real fast. Here's some liches right here. We're not going to even need this because how easy this is to install. You know, screw it in. See, you guys already know me. I like plug and play stuff. I like to screw in things. Look at this bad boy, guys. Nothing else in the box itself. Let's put that down to the side. This thing is insanely huge. I'm just going to move it down. You can see you can move this. That's why it's called a deformable lamp. You can actually move these wherever you want. So I'm gonna move it right there and let's actually take a look at, oh my goodness, look at this. Look at this bad boy, guys. The easy plug and play install, guys. Just screw it into your normal socket that's gonna be up there on your garage or wherever. And it has LED panels all over, 3 sets of LED panels as you can see. And all of this gray stuff right here is all metal, basically to, you know, dissipate heat. So for this test, I'm going to obviously turn this bad boy off. I wanna make it fair. And also I'm gonna close the garage door. The 3 bulbs that we're going to test are going to be number 1, this, you know, dinky little CFL that was actually originally in this garage. Believe it or not, I still have it. We're gonna test out the corn LED right there. And last but not least, we're gonna take a look at how this bad boy looks. And we're gonna compare everything so you guys can see a clear difference between all 3 bulbs. 1, 2, 3. So without further ado, let's get this camera on a tripod and let's get to it. Alrighty, guys, you can see me right there. I'm installing the yellow CFL bulb that came originally with this garage. And believe it or not, this is how my garage looked when I first got it, guys, with that same dinky little CFL bulb. And if your garage looks like this, you know what I'm talking about. Actually, a lot of my friends have their garage look like this, and I'm like, guys, install some kind of corn LED or like one of those LEDs and make your garage brighter, make it look much better, and you'll love the results. And so now that we know what this looks like, let's actually take a look at the corn LED. And look at this bad boy, guys. I mean, seriously, like, night and day difference, literally speaking, because the other one was dark and this is brighter, obviously. And yeah, this is the corn LED. It's been working out for me. I mean, it makes your garage look like an entirely different garage. It doesn't make it look dinky, damp, and, you know, dark and a place that you don't want to be in. It looks amazing, bright, especially these white walls that I have. It bounces the color off nicely. Yeah, the corn LED works. I already know that. I've done a review on it. Now let's take a look at how the deformable LED looks like. And you can see right here I'm installing deformable LED. Now it's a little bit different to install a deformable LED due to the fact that in my situation I have my garage door motor right there and the bracing for the garage door motor that was in the way. This thing is huge, so if you have that in the way, you're gonna have to probably take out the socket like I did a little bit. You can see that I've taken it out and kind of get twisted in there. However, it is fully plug and play, guys, and this is how it looks. For initial impressions, I think it looks great. The thing about this LED is that it is bright in certain areas and then kind of dark in other areas. It's not a like complete 360 bulb. That's understandable because of the fact that it is panels and not like the 360 corn LED. And you'll be able to see it once I show you the comparison. But this is how it looks. Not too shabby, but still, let's actually take a look at some comparisons right here. So first of all, this is the CFL versus corn LED. I mean, night and day difference, guys. You already seen it. I mean, yeah, there's nothing, you don't even need to see this. I mean, it's just really nice to look at how much of a difference these two are. But yeah, so this is how it looked in the beginning, and then when I got my corn LED, it was just so much brighter, made my garage look completely different. If your garage looks like the yellow CFL mess right there, you know, upgrade yourself to the corn LED or something LED. And now let's take a look at the corn LED versus the deformable LED. And you can see the deformable LED on the left right there, the corn LED on the right there, and immediately you'll notice the color difference. Okay, so if you're looking for a LED that has more of a blue tint, you definitely want to go for the deformable LED. If you want something that's like complete pure white, you might want to go with the corn LED. However, you'll notice immediately that deformable LED in certain areas, especially like right by the lab ladder right there on the floor, it's a lot brighter than the corn LED, because hence the fact that it's a panel LED. So you can face this wherever you want. You don't have to have it facing to the ground. However, you'll notice that in the air, in the corners, it's a lot brighter on the corn LED than it is on a deformable LED. So it really depends on what you're trying to do, you know, what are you trying to go for, what kind of lighting you're trying to go for, and what your actual situation is. So both have advantages, both have disadvantages, but one thing I know for sure, they are definitely better than the dinky yellow CFLs that I don't even want to show you guys again, because you already know how they look. So I'll leave both of those links in the description below, because I'm not even gonna leave the links to the CFL bulbs, because don't even do that. But yeah, that's how I keep my garage super bright and super well lit. And if you like this video, make sure you smash that like button. Other than that, guys, Keith just here saying thanks for watching and peace.